here's how you run an effective board meeting. 6 steps. Number 1, proper notice. Make sure you're delivering notice correctly to all homeowners so they know about the meeting, they prepare for the meeting and attend the meeting. If they can't, they can have a proxy. If we need to handle business with voting, they can have a proxy that handles the vote. Number 2, once you start the meeting, you want to call it to order, do roll call, confirm quorum, and approve the agenda and prior meeting minutes from the last meeting. All right, the next thing, we're gonna do a brief report from the treasurer. We're gonna go through each board member, have them update on whatever they've been working on, and give us a report. And now we are into number 4, which is actually handling the business of what this meeting's for. And so let's say it is a large roof project. We now wanna discuss that project, let everybody know what we're gonna talk about. So keep it clean and simple. One item, we're gonna discuss the roof, what we're looking at, what we've done, what we need to do. Maybe we have all the bids in and we're ready for a vote. We need to put that to vote. And so we vote on that one item. And then we move to the next agenda item. And maybe we're not as far along on that. Maybe we're still gathering bids. Or maybe something came up and we couldn't get everything we need. So we'll maybe shelf that, but we can still discuss that to get everybody's idea, everybody's input. Once we've handled all the agenda items, we wanna make sure we do a clear vote on each one so decisions are done, or if it's tabled for the next meeting. And next we wanna open it up to kind of a homeowner forum. So number 5 is we wanna allow those homeowners that maybe have questions about some issues they've been dealing with. They have some time to speak up, ask questions, and then we can help answer those. But we wanna go through that pretty quickly. And then lastly, we wanna join the meeting. We wanna make sure that the secretary prepares a concise minutes for this meeting, and that those are ready, and then we set a motion, and we have a vote if there's actually those final votes. So that's 6 steps. 1, a clear notice. Number 2, start the meeting properly. Number 3, give a brief report. Number 4, work through business. Number 5, provide a homeowner forum. And number 6, adjourn and document the meeting. That's how you do the meeting. Now, if you look through your bylaws, it's gonna discuss a lot of stuff on what actually has a quorum, how to do proxy, what you need for proper posting and notices, that kind of stuff. This is kind of the same exact what you want to follow if you're even doing a board meeting. So if it's just the 4 board members, you still want to make sure you have enough board members to actually handle business. And so you say you set a board meeting and only 1 board member shows up, well, you can't make decisions without that unless your bylaws state. So you want to make sure you check for the bylaws. The bylaws give you a lot of direction on this, all the direction on this, and then it's just a matter of following it and doing it correctly. And then making sure each meeting has a clear start of, hey, we're calling this meeting to order, and a clear ending. So anything before that and after that was not part of the meeting. And then definitely documenting with minutes. And so one thing that's been nice is, you can transcribe now with phones or different AI tools to actually record that. And a lot of treasurers are just great at typing and keeping notes, or secretaries are great at keeping and typing notes. But we want to make sure we have that, and then have any information there that helps homeowners with questions, that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's the 6 steps to run an effective board meeting. And it's all about just giving notice and making sure that you have quorum so you can actually handle business. All right, thank you for watching.